Hi guys, today we're gonna make an air freshener! Grandma and Ruvan's experiment!
Okay, firstly you get yourself some coarse salt.
Any kind.
Any kind. You add 3 tablespoons, but it's 15 ml, so it's 45, but remember you can do anything you want, any amount.
If you don't have the cost to buy the real ones, it's fine, you can just use any.
And then you take any Mike Stay Soft, clothes Stay Soft, and you add it to this, a few drops. Then you take cloves, a few whole cloves.
That you use in chai tea.
Yes, or for cooking curries and what you like. And you put it inside. And now your mixture is done.
Okay, so just a heads up, how much do you need to put in?
The cloves you can put in about 10.
Okay, so 10. Okay, so your hands is obviously gonna get dirty. Like the others, you have to press it in. Okay, dan moet ons weer Afrikaans praat. Ons Afrikaans les. So jy druk dit mos net in. Jy druk dit mos net.
Jy druk nou jou cloves in, jou naaltjies.
Ja.
Dis die goed wat jy kan gebruik vir tandpyn ook. Jy byt hom net vas. Dan is jou mengsel nou klaar.
Ja. Yeah, our Afrikaans les is done. And now you just close the lid.
You can use any plastic container.
And you can reuse 5 because we have a big house, but it doesn't matter what size your house is. You just need to have enough for your house. Okay. So you can use a gas stove to light up your what do you call it?
Skewer.
So you light up your skewer, and if you don't have a gas stove, you can just use a strong lighter or any lighter. Because our gas stove doesn't have a flint, I don't know why, we have to use a lighter to ignite it. So you just push that in until you hear the gas, and you obviously need to open your gas bottle. Okay, so then you light it. If the lighter wants to work. Okay, this one doesn't, so I use this one. There we go. So then you just put that on for a few seconds or minutes.
Until you think it's warm enough, put it on your...
Okay, so we're gonna just do a part 2. Love you guys.